How do you grow mulleins? Have you ever wondered how to grow mullein, that tall, striking plant often found in parks and campgrounds? This hardy plant is not only beautiful but also has edible and medicinal uses. Let's break down the steps to grow mullein effectively. First, you need to choose the right location. Mullein loves full sun, so find a spot that gets plenty of direct sunlight. It thrives in dry, warm areas and can handle poor soils, even alkaline ones. Look for places near walls, large trees, or in open clearings where it can be sheltered from strong winds. Next, consider the soil requirements. Mullein is adaptable but prefers well-drained soil that is dry and slightly alkaline. Many parks have the calcareous soils that mullein enjoys, making them perfect for planting. When it comes to planting from seed, remember that mullein seeds need light to germinate. Scatter them on the surface of lightly worked soil instead of burying them deeply. Gently press the seeds into the soil for good contact. The best time to sow seeds is in early spring or fall. This mimics natural conditions, allowing seeds to overwinter and sprout in spring. Keep the soil moist but avoid waterlogging it. Interestingly, mullein seeds can stay valuable in the soil for many years, so they often reseed themselves naturally. Spacing is also important. For taller mullein varieties, space the plants about 3 feet apart. If you are growing shorter types, 1 foot apart works well. This gives each plant enough room to grow without crowding. Watering is key, especially when the plants are young or during flowering. Mullein is drought tolerant once established, but it needs consistent moisture early on. Water moderately, particularly during dry spells, but steer clear of overwatering. If you need to transplant mullein, be careful. This plant develops a deep taproot and does not transplant well once it is established. If you must move it, dig it up with the roots intact and replanting it in well-drained soil, keeping it moist until it settles in. Maintenance is straightforward. Mullein can spread quickly and from dense patches. This can be great for naturalized areas in parks, but you may want to manage its growth in more controlled settings. If you want to limit reseeding, remove flower stalks before the seeds disperse. For those interested in harvesting mullein for medicinal use, timing is essential. Mullein is a biennial plant, completing its life cycle in 2 years. The best time to harvest leaves and roots is at the end of the first year or the beginning of the second. Flowers should be harvested in the second year when they bloom. This helps maintain healthy populations in parks and campgrounds. In the context of camping and parks, mullein serves as a fantastic educational plant. It is an excellent example of an edible and medicinal species that visitors can learn to identify. Its ability to thrive in poor soils and dry conditions makes it a great choice for restoration projects in these areas. So, whether you are camping or just enjoying a day in the park, keep an eye out for this remarkable plant.